Hey guys, welcome back to our boba tea series. We've made chewy brown sugar boba and also that creamy, cheesy, foamy topping thingy. And today we are sharing one of my personal favorites, egg pudding.
Egg pudding! Egg pudding!
And if you're getting weirded out by the thought about drinking egg pudding, you're missing out, bruh. Because egg pudding is one of those amazing textural phenomenons. It's a little bit soft, a little bit firm, a little jiggly, a little creamy, a little rich, but it fits through a straw.
First, a special hello to our new friends. If you are new here, hi. I'm Carl, this is Adrian, and welcome to Adventures of Carlian, where we're always pursuing our passions, trying to improve ourselves just a little bit every day. By sharing our journey, our struggles, our successes, we are hoping to inspire you to also do the same. So if you're down, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and join us on this crazy adventure.
So we're pretty lucky living in the Bay Area because we got hella boba spots everywhere. But you know us, we're kind of those types of people who need to just try things for ourselves, see if we can make it better, or if it's worth it to make it yourselves. Or, sometimes if you don't consume certain ingredients like gelatin or what have you, then you have to make it yourself. Besides, sometimes you don't want to fork over $5 to $8 for a drink. And seriously, egg pudding is so good. You can eat it by itself and you can put it on all kinds of things.
So just how difficult is it to make pudding? No, it's not that hard, especially when we get to pair it with extremely delicious teas. Thanks to our sponsors for this video, Zhenzu Teas.
Yay! Discover the delicious world of Chinese loose leaf tea with Zhenzu Tea. Zhenzu Tea is a modern tea tasting experience perfect for both the long-time and first-time tea drinkers. They've created user-friendly packaging with descriptive flavor notes, harvest time and location, and brewing guides so that you can enjoy the perfect cup. Go to zhenzutea.com and use our exclusive code CARLIAN20 for 20% off your first purchase so that you can also try our egg pudding with their tasty tea.
So thanks to our friends at Zhenzu Teas, here is a cool offer. It's 20% off your purchase on their site. Just enter in Carlian20 and they'll hook you right up. Make sure to visit them, check out their teas. It's really tasty. But without further ado, 2 ways to make egg pudding.
For our friends who just want the pudding now, you're gonna try the agar or gelatin method. Keep in mind that it is not a one-to-one substitution between agar and gelatin. We know, we tried this many times to find the ideal ratio for us. But of course, that ratio is gonna depend on your personal preferences. And if you want a really silky texture, then we recommend the steaming method. Let's go. For a firmer and nearly instant egg pudding, start by hydrating your agar. Place 1/8 teaspoon of agar powder into your bowl and slowly add your milk, whisking thoroughly. Starting with less liquid makes it easier to find any lumps. In a separate bowl, combine 2 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until combined, but you don't have to beat the eggs beyond that. Then we're going to temper this mix. So in a separate saucepan, heat up your other half cup of milk until just about steaming. Then slowly dribble that into your egg mix until you're fully combined without curdling any of the egg. Then in that same saucepan, we're going to heat up our agar milk mix to activate the agar. Heat it all the way up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, whisking often. Once it reaches temp, take it off the heat and allow it to cool down to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then once that's cooled, you can finally mix the agar milk with the egg milk mix. Strain your final mixture into your storage container. Agar will set at room temperature, but egg pudding should be kept in the fridge. When you're ready to serve, layer your egg pudding at the very bottom of the cup, any other mix-ins, and then pour your tea on top. And enjoy! For a super silky egg pudding, we're gonna steam it. The process is similar. Start with 2 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk to combine, and then heat up 1 cup of milk until steaming. Once again, we'll temper the egg mix by slowly adding our hot milk, making sure not to curdle our eggs. Then we'll strain the mix into our steaming container and remove any large air bubbles. You can also cover the bowl with foil or plastic wrap to prevent any condensation droplets from pockmarking your pudding. Then steam over a low heat for about 8 to 11 minutes, depending on the size of your container, or to your desired texture. Then simply serve by itself or with your tea. Keep in mind without agar, it's not going to hold as well in the tea.
So there it is, 2 ways to make egg pudding at home. Which one was your favorite, and also, what do you imagine pudding or eating egg pudding with? There's a lot of egg puddings in there. But anyway, there's so much more to this series. You can put a ton of crap in your boba tea. So stay tuned for more. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell, all of that good stuff, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.